because I have really thick curly hair, and then that's why I be looking like, as you see, I have 3 braids. Guys, I really do have long hair like already. So now all my braids are out. This is the finishing touch. I look like it helps keep my hair clean, also keeps my thickness as well as, but let's get into a curl. Oh, y'all saw that? I barely hot comb my hair, but because I'm trying to do a bun, I have to just run it through. You definitely see the finishing touches. All right guys, if you see the title of this video, then you know this is the most transparent video you guys are gonna ever get. You see this crusty, dusty braids, and my hair is long. You see that? I gotta take my braids out and I gotta wash it. We're gonna do a natural wash maintenance to go. So this is the before. So I probably had these braids in for about a month. No, I'm lying, probably 2 months, because I usually, when I get my wigs and quick weaves, I keep my braids in due to the fact that I like my hair to grow, because I have really thick curly hair, and then that's why I be looking like Celie from The Color Purple under it, and I be embarrassed. But when y'all see what this hair look like once water touches it and it gets some cleansing, y'all gonna be like, okay, Sade, you was playing, because I was playing for sure. Ski, like, this is crazy. And this is me being transparent, and I did my lashes, so that's the only reason why I'm able to do this with y'all, and my skin is clear, because if not, I don't do stuff like this. I'm afraid, okay? So ladies, as I'm almost done, as you see, I have 3 braids. Guys, I really do have long hair. Like, do you guys see this? I need my ends cut tremendously, but this is why sometimes I like to woof a little bit, but I also hate it because the process of it is so nasty and gucky, and then also my hair is super thick, so it's a lot to like comb out and get. But if I had to do a lip check on my hair, like, let's take a dirty, because they say when your hair is dirty is your true limp. So lip check. Look at that. Y'all see that? My hair is to my boobs. Y'all see that right there? That's a real lip check. Look at that. To my boobs. Okay, so my hair has grown, child. Grown for real. So I'm super proud of that. Eventually, y'all gonna see me just wearing my hair. I'm kind of getting to the phase where I'm trying to be out of wigs and quick weaves and closures and all that. But Sade's hair is just too curly. Like, you gonna see when it's time for us to wash this. It's too curly, it's too thick, and too much to maintenance. Like, it's easier for me to slap that wig on or go get my hair done. So we shall see, because this right here, this is too much already. So now all my braids are out. This is the finishing touch. I look like Rod Digger right now, but as y'all see, your girl is not bald-headed, aka Tati, because my best friend be on my body, but I am not bald-headed. I have a head full of hair. So now we're gonna get into that wash process. So the products that I like to use are, I'm about to put y'all down, Vegamore. And this is the conditioner. I like to use these because they're really good for my hair. I have psoriasis. I tell people that all the time. I do struggle with psoriasis. As you see, I got dirt on my shoulders. Ugh. I have psoriasis, so Vegamore helps keep my hair clean, also keeps my thickness, as well as helps, you know, keeps my pores good and porosity. And yes, it is one of my faves. I highly recommend for the girlies that struggle with psoriasis in their scalp, because it does wonders. So let's get into this wash. Alrighty, so now that we finished with the wash part, you see this? Concealer. I said concealer. I mean conditioner. So usually when I put my conditioner in my hair, I just rub it through. I kind of let it sit a little bit because my hair is thicker. So I let it sit. But do you guys see my curls? Like, it's crazy. Let me bring it closer. I don't know what type of hair I have, but let's get into a curl. Oh, y'all saw that? Oh. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna comb out my hair because it's super thick. And once I do that, we'll wash out the conditioner, and then we're gonna have a speed run, guys. I gotta blow dry my hair, and that's the part that takes the longest. So I'm gonna blow dry it, and then we'll be back when it's time for me to straighten it, because we can't learn curly. Just can't. So I'll be back. Officially, your girl has blown out her hair. So this is what y'all see, W shrinkage. I told y'all I had hair. So now I'm going to hot comb my roots a little bit and then dry straighten it, because I'm thinking about putting in a bun. Your girl was gonna do something to it, but like I said, I'm about to get my hair done on Monday. So this is just we trying to thug it out for the 1-2. So let's do that. So like I said, just a quick burn myself, guys. I usually only hot comb my wigs. I barely hot comb my hair, but because I'm trying to do a bun, I have to just run it through, because if I don't, your girl, you see my edges, they will not be edging if I don't do this. So this is a quick, and I do an oil treatment on my hair when I blow dry, so that it doesn't have thing. And off camera, I sprayed some heat protector on it. So, but I need my ends cut. Like, y'all see that? These are ends that need to be clipped. So it's time for me to go and get this hair maintenance. My best friend is gone, Booski. She cut my ends, so I am out here just trying to get right. So you see, pressed, unpressed, pressed, unpressed. Speed run, like I said. Okay guys, so you definitely see the finishing touches of a cool slick down. And look at my bun, guys. Do you see this? W bun. So now I'm just going to do my edges. I feel so good because it's been so long since I've been able to like slick my hair back and really wear it. So I'm kind of excited about that. But I use Got To Be in order to do my edges because they don't stay. So I use a little bit of this up top for my flyaways, but I do it like far away so it doesn't, you know, just a little bit so it doesn't do anything. And then I take this, and it depends, like if I want my edges to be right here, I'll probably like do them like this. And I really can like do my edges with this brush or a slick brush. It doesn't really matter to me, but I'll do it like that, and then they'll like slick back as you see. And I have opposite edges, so it's kind of like one will always be better than the other, and it kind of sucks. As you can see, this is the one that's going to be better because it's not cooperating. So let me go fix them and we'll be back. Alrighty, so this is my final touch of my edges. Like I said, nothing too spectacular, nothing too crazy, but thank you guys for commenting and seeing the hey minutes. Like you said, we went from that to this. So I will see you guys next week. We got a big haul coming up, so I'll see y'all when we get back. I'm about to go get some pizza because you got lots of food. And look at that, you see the time? 7:27. So we'll be back. And make sure you like, subscribe, and always tune in.